You spend your life trying to be someone, trying to be strong, successful, sane. You chase meaning. You chase truth. You chase the version of yourself you think you're supposed to be. But what if there is no you to chase? What if the search itself is the trap? Now imagine two voices from opposite worlds. One from the stone steps of ancient Athens. The other from a silent Zen temple lost in the fog. Socrates. Alan Watts. Two minds. 2 centuries. One question. Who are you? Socrates begins. Before you do anything in this life, you must ask the hardest question. Who am I? If you do not examine your life, then you are not truly living it. You walk, you eat, you work, but are you awake? To know yourself is the first and final freedom. Watts smiles, not in disagreement, but with mischief. You want to know yourself? You're already doing it, but you're using the wrong tools. The self cannot be known through thought, because the thinker is the thought. You're like a knife trying to cut itself. Socrates leans in. But if we do not question, we remain asleep. How can we grow if we do not confront ourselves? Watts replies calmly, like waves hitting a quiet shore. You confront what doesn't exist. There is no separate self to find. There is only presence. Awareness. This moment. You are not a solid thing. You are a process, a happening. Socrates folds his hands. His voice sharpens. Is that not just surrender? Is that not passive? If there is no self, no responsibility, then what of justice? What of virtue? Watts nods. Responsibility comes not from identity, but from connection. You are not separate from the world. You are the world, happening to itself. The illusion of separation is the cause of suffering. Socrates pauses. He sees something in Watts, a freedom that does not argue, only reflects. But how can we trust a life not examined? Watts responds gently, by living it. Not through analysis, but through presence. A flower doesn't examine itself. It blooms, and in blooming, it fulfills its nature. Silence, not the silence of conflict, but the silence of depth, because both are right, and both are incomplete. We want to know who we are, but maybe we are not meant to define ourselves. We are meant to dissolve into something larger. Maybe you are not a name, not a story, not even a voice. You are the witness. You are the question. And maybe that's enough. So I ask you now, when you sit in silence, do you listen for the voice inside you, or do you let go and feel what remains? Are you Socrates, always questioning, or Alan Watts, always dissolving? Or maybe you are both, soul that wants to understand and also just breathe. If this stirred something inside you, subscribe to Inspire Nation. And tell us in the comments, who are you really?